This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have permissions and target info ready. Now create the snapshot. In the console, select RDS, choose the DB instance, and click Take Snapshot. Give a clear name that includes date and environment. If you use the CLI, run Oz RDS create DB snapshot DB instance identifier mydb DB snapshot identifier mydb 20,251,130. Once started, the snapshot enters creating state. Make sure to choose a KMS key if encryption is required, because snapshots inherit encryption settings from the DB. Once creation begins, monitor status proactively. Use Oz RDS describe DB snapshots or the RDS console to watch the status field change to available. For large instances, creation can take many minutes. Plan around I/O and maintenance windows. If you need cross-region resiliency, copy the snapshot to another region with Oz RDS CopyDB snapshot and enable storage encryption during copy. Make sure to tag the snapshot for billing and retention automation, because tags let you identify snapshots for life. Once the snapshot is available, validate it by restoring to a test instance. You want to confirm schema and data consistency. After verification, apply tags that reflect retention policy and owner, and schedule automated deletion if not needed. If the snapshot fails or stays stuck, inspect RDS events for errors, confirm KMS key grants for both the RDS service and your IAM role, and check service quotas like snapshot count and storage. If limits are hit, request quota increases or delete old snapshots to free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.